Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Volkswagen Passat here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. Now from here, I'm going to scroll across until you get to settings, and scroll down, go to time, and then click in OK. Now to change the hours, you press OK on the hours, and then scroll up and down to whatever you need. Then press OK to confirm. And scroll down to minutes, press OK. Change it to what you need. Then again, OK. And that's it.